This is an overview of the CodeHS Elementary portal. We're starting in our full lesson catalog. This is where a teacher can view and search our entire catalog of elementary lessons. You can filter by a subject. In addition to lessons specific to computer science and digital literacy, we also have cross-disciplinary lessons that tie coding with core subjects such as ELA, math, science, and social studies. By just selecting science, you can view all of our science lessons. You can also search by tool. We support a number of hardware and software tools. You can also search by grade level or by concept. There are nearly 300 lessons here, and we're continually adding new lessons to this catalog. CodeHS offers two main pathway options for elementary computer science. The computer science pathway is intended for schools that have a dedicated technology or computer science teacher at the school who sees students about once a week. The interdisciplinary computer science pathway is for schools that want to integrate computer science into core subject instruction, led by grade-level teachers, providing coding lessons that are connected to grade-level learning standards for math, science, ELA, and social studies. We also offer state and district-aligned pathways. For each pathway, we provide a sequence of courses by grade level that builds and reinforces student learning year after year. We are fully aligned to CSTA standards. Next, let's look at the student and classroom management side of the platform. From the Sections page, teachers can enroll students, control which lessons students have access to, and view progress for each student. Teachers can also easily view each student's home pages and see their programs from here. From the Student Playground, students have the ability to create both Scratch and Scratch Junior programs. CodeHS provides a secure platform that saves students' work within the site. Let's take a look at our lesson plans. We have specifically designed our lesson plans so teachers can jump right in and begin teaching with very minimal prep, using a format we call Ready to Go. That allows teachers to simply follow along with their students as they work through a lesson. Ready to Go lessons include short instructional videos, pauses to check for understanding, discussion with the class, and other resources. Teachers can simply follow along with a Ready to Go lesson, playing the videos in the lesson as they come up. Here's an example.
Now that you have your characters, it's time to start programming.
We also offer additional lesson materials, including a full lesson plan that can be accessed in PDF format, lesson slides in both English and Spanish, links for interactive activities to check for understanding, and both starter code and sample programs for each lesson. Let's take a look at the sample program for this lesson. Notice Scratch Junior is fully integrated into the platform for teachers and students. We offer a full library of resources including how to get started with walkthrough videos, as well as quick reference guides for everything within our curriculum. Let's take a look at our teacher training offerings. From our PD portal, teachers have access to a variety of asynchronous and live PD supports. It includes access to our mini PD courses that are fully asynchronous. Our Teaching Elementary CS course includes trainings on our portal, various software tools, and pedagogical best practices for the age group. We also offer live PD sessions for teachers, including a number that focus specifically on elementary. These sessions are run by our team of PD specialists. We have over 100 on-demand video trainings that teachers can access anytime. And finally, if you ever need any help, we're here for you. You can contact our support team directly here or using this chat bubble. You also have access to our knowledge base, which is our one-stop shop for advice, answers, and tutorials directly from our CodeHS team. CodeHS provides all of the resources and support you need to bring computer science to your school or district.